In question number 4, a triangle and parallelogram have same base and same area. It is given. Sides of the triangle is given. Okay, 26 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and 28 centimeter. Parallelogram stands on the base of 28 centimeter. Means parallelogram is here. This is the figure. Find the height of the parallelogram. So this height of the parallelogram we should find. First we will find area of the parallelogram. Sorry, triangle. So 26, B is 28, C is 30. So S will be 26, 28, 30 divided by 2. 84 by 2, which is 42 centimeter. Okay. So now area of the triangle S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Substitute the values here. So 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 30. So this will give answer. S is 42. 42 minus 26 means 16. Then 14. Then 12 will come. So what we can do here? We should find numbers in pairs. So 42 we can write 7 into 6. This 4 into 4. This one 7 into 2. And 12 means 4 into 3. Okay, so see the number which has pair 7 we can write here. This 7 1, 4 into 4 we can write. This 4 we can write 4 as 2 into 2, and then 6, and this 3 2s are 6. So see each number has a pair. So 7, 4, 2 and 6 will give 336 centimeter square. Now what is given? Area of the parallelogram. Since area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. So area of parallelogram is base into height, and area of triangle we got 336. So base is given 28, height is not known. So 336 by 28 will be 12 centimeter. This is the height of the parallelogram. For question number 5, it is given a rhombus shaped field. Rhombus shaped field means all the sides are equal and they are of 30 meter. This is a field for 18 cows to graze the grass. Okay, and longer diagonal is given 48 meter. So how much area of the grass field will each cow be getting? This much area is for 18 cows. So first we will find complete area. So area of this triangle, suppose A, B, C, D. So let A, B, C, D be rhombus. We know rhombus in all the sides are equal. See, if you find one area and you double it, you will get the total area. So area of triangle ABC. Okay, for that S we should find. So 30 plus 48 divided by 2. Okay, so 108 divided by 2, that is 54 meter. Now area of triangle ABC is square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30, 54 minus 48. See, this will give 54, then 24, then 24, and then 6. Okay, so what we can write? This 24 as a pair we will write as it is. 54 we can write 9 6. So see, 24 has pair, it will come out. 6 has pair, it will come out. 9 square root of 9 is 3. So 24 into 18. So it will give 432 meter square. So this is the area of one triangle. So what will be the area of rhombus then? Therefore, area of rhombus is equal to 2 into 432, because these both area of triangle will be same. So 864 meter square. Okay. So for 18 cows, area is 864. So for one cow, area will be 864 divided by 18, which will give 48 meter square. Question number 6. An umbrella is made by stitching. So umbrella is given. Okay. So this all length are given 50, 20. This is also 50, 50. If you consider one triangle, it is 50, 50 and 20. So such 5 red colors are there. 5 piece of red color and 5 piece of green color. So total 10 triangular pieces are there. So first we will find area of one triangular piece. So A is 50, B is 50 and C is 20. So S is A plus B plus C by 2. 50 plus 50 plus 20 by 2. So 120 by 2 means 60. Okay. So area of one piece we can say, given by formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So 60 minus 50, 60 minus 50, 60 minus 20. So 60, 10 into 10 into 40. See, this 10 has spare, we will write as it is. Then this 6 we can write 6 into 10, and 4 we can write 40 we can write 4 into 10. So this will come out, this will come out, square root of 4 is 2, root 6 will remain inside. Okay, so 200 root 6 centimeter square is area of one triangle piece. Now we have such 5 green pieces. So area of 5 green piece will be 5 into this, isn't it? That is 1000 root 6 centimeter square. And area of 5 red piece, that is also 5 into 200 root 6. So 1000 root 6 centimeter square.